Hello friend, in this tutorial I am going to explain you about features of Python. So here, as I have mentioned, the Python is a easy to use syntax and it is very easy to understand as well. So it is another way we can say it is like English. So when we will write code, at that time you will understand how much easy is it. So second feature is it can run at any platform including Windows, Linux, Mac, Unix, etc. And even we can combine the other programming languages like C, C++, Java, etc. So this is another feature. And third feature is it has large number of modules, or in another word we can say it has large number of libraries to do lots of things. It has web framework like Django. It has REST API framework like Django REST framework and many others. And these libraries are open source, so we can easily use these libraries to develop our application. Fourth is it is object oriented programming. So in object oriented we define classes and we create object of class and we access the class features. And basically object oriented feature help us to develop real world programming, and it helps us to maintain and integrate multiple functionalities easily. So that is fourth features of Python. And fifth feature is it is interpreted language, in which it executes the code line by line and which makes it easier for debugging. Because of step-by-step execution, we can easily debug the Python programming language. And sixth feature is it has numerous implementation like CPython, Jython. Basically CPython is an standard implementation in which we can perform lots of things. In Jython it is a module which help us to integrate with Java programming language. So these are the features. There are also many features, but these are few important features, basic features I explained in this part. Okay, so next I'm going to applications of the Python. So as I have already explained a little bit about the applications of Python, or another word we can say what kind of application we can develop using Python programming language. So again here I'm going to explain you about the applications of Python in brief. So first application is web application. As we all know that today we have lots of web applications like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and many online learning platforms or blogging platforms. So these are the web applications. So these web application we can also develop in Python program, using Python programming language. And to develop web application, Python provides us web frameworks like Django, Flask, Pyramid, and many more. So using these frameworks, we can easily develop our web application. Okay, so next, second application is computer set software or desktop applications. So Python also provides us lots of package to develop desktop application or computer based applications, and they provide us the frameworks like Kiwi, TK to develop graphical user interfaces. So that is the computer software or desktop application that we can develop using Python. So third one is scientific computing applications. So in Python we can perform lots of scientific computation, and it has lots of modules or libraries to perform those scientific computation easily without writing or developing our code from scratch. So libraries are like SciPy, NumPy, scikit-learn. So these are the modules to perform scientific computation using the functionalities from those libraries. Okay, so fourth application is AI and ML. As these days we know that every company is using AI and ML, and these days AI and ML are buzzwords. So to develop AI and ML based applications, we can also use Python. And in Python lots of libraries are available to develop these or to develop AI and ML based applications. The libraries are like scikit-learn, Keras, Theano. So these are the and TensorFlow. These are the AI and ML libraries are available in Python. And fifth one is image processing. So the image processing in a image processing application, we basically process the images to extract information. So for that also we have libraries in Python like scikit-image below, and also in artificial intelligence we like we have application like image recognition and all. So for image recognition we also have to perform image processing, we also have to do image processing, and then we train the model using the informations processed from the image. So these are the things, these are the applications we can do or develop using Python programming languages. Okay, that's all for the applications of Python. And last thing I'm going to explain you about the companies using Python to develop their applications. So the companies are the popular one which we all are using, like Instagram, Reddit, Mozilla, and many more companies like Google, Facebook are using Python programming language to develop or to fulfill their requirements. So that's all for the day. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe.